Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a very basic recipe of the tea that I've been drinking during these winters and keeping myself protected from the cold, cough and the basic, virus and coronavirus as well. So this is how I prepare it. I boiled water in a pot, added few tulsi leaves, some crushed cardamom, grated ginger and a little bit of pepper, and then I'm just going to let it boil for a good amount of time. Now you can see the color has started to come up, and I will add milk according to my preferences. You can decide the quantity on that. Some would like a stronger tea, so they add very little milk. I would like it to this extent, so this is how the color of my tea looks like. You can change the amount of milk you add according to how you prefer it. And as you can see, it's boiling. You have to let it rise up until the top of the pan or the pot that you're using, and then you just go ahead and filter it. Add some sugar according to taste, or if you want to add jaggery, or if you want to add brown sugar, and enjoy your tea. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below if you like the recipe, and do hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.